Okay, welcome to Project 1. In Project 1, we're basically going to create this very simple and quite fun animation. As you can see, little fishes going along and this talking character and the crab. We have a voice and a script that we're going to do using AI. So lots of fun tools here. We are going to be using these main tools here. So we're going to be using ChatGPT, a ChatGPT prompt that we use throughout the this whole course. 11 Labs, Adobe Animate animated video, sorry, which is another free tool that Adobe does. Canva and CapCut, and you can see here there's only one potentially paid tool, although this tool actually can do there's a free trial, so you could potentially use it for free for this particular project. So should be quite simple, and definitely this is a beginner stage for animation. If you're quite advanced, you know, for example, if you're a professional animator but you've not used this particular process, you might find it a fun thing to do anyway, and to share your projects with the rest of the group. That would be great. So this is the the project that I want you to follow along with first, and share your results.